Good morning, YouTube. Out here, it's kind of cool. It's Tuesday morning, and we're going to talk about parts availability because I was going to lower the truck using the Holley flip kit and the Holley lower control arms that are actually, it's a van lower control arm. They've just made it so it'll work easy where you don't have to do any fab work. So let's talk about this. Now, this is kind of an old school way of doing it. People figured out that on the Dodge trucks, the van lower control arm has got a pocket in it that drops the truck 2.5 to 3 inches. So let's get down here and take a look at stuff. Now, as you can see, the regular truck, it doesn't have a pocket in it, it's just flat. So I'm going to have to, I hit the phone off and it stopped recording. But anyway, I gotta drill this out here, and because lower van control arms are a 3/4 inch bolt instead of a 5/8 bolt, so that's got to be changed out. But what I did is I went ahead and ordered some new lower control arms with ball joints. Let me get this because that's coming in pretty bad. But anyway, with lower ball joints, and then I just have to drill the holes that hook onto the lower control arm from the strut bar here. And everything will fit just fine. I've done it once before, and it's kind of a pain. It's a lot more fab than I really wanted to do, but the lower control arm from Holley won't be here until I think the last week of September. That's not good for doing work on the truck. At the very least, I want to have the truck done within like 2 weeks of no name nationals, so I can get testing done, make sure it's got the tune up. If you saw my short yesterday, you know I got the fuel system done, and I just got to get the carburetor put on it. At that point, I'm gonna put the front end of the truck on, so that's probably what I'll be doing today. Now we'll say that for another video. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to be getting the lower control arms for the truck. Now what I am going to do is, there's no good YouTube videos on how to lower one of these trucks that I have found. If you found one, put it down in the comments or something so I can look at it. But I'm going to do a series of how I'm lowering this truck once I get those van lower control arms in. So anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a good one.